Today I've got another recipe which is very famous in India, and during the winter season this Delhi carrot is freely available all over the places of India. And this is not only available in Delhi but all over India, from south to Kanyakumari, and from Kanyakumari to Jammu Kashmir, from Gujarat to Seven Sisters of India. So let's see how we do it. And this is so amazing, and this can be made in 15 minutes. Before we start this recipe, please like and in the comments say Radhe Radhe, Jai Sri Ram, or Annapurna Sadapurna, so that Annapurna Parvati, she will bless us with lot of happiness and with lot of enlightenment and lot of taste in the dish. So let's begin this recipe. Before we do, you can see how juicy this carrot halwa looks. And so if you want to make the same recipe, just copy and paste. Nothing else is required. So we'll be cooking this recipe entirely in ghee, and this is how beautiful and tasty we are going to make. So sit tight. So let's start Delhi carrot, and welcome to Jai Sri Kadai Katha. I've taken 400 grams of carrot, Delhi carrot, and I will grate it through a grater. I will take the biggest ghisne ka, means that hole of the grater. So grate it completely. This is the only time taking part of carrot halwa. The rest everything is very simple. You can see this is the way it is going to come, and we'll complete this fully. And you have to take really care that you don't get your finger in the grater. You have to be little cautious while grating it. So this is the only hard work in carrot halwa. If you have got food processor, you can do in that also. It will take 2 minutes in food processor. I have taken a thick bottom pan, put a 2 tablespoon, almost 25 gram of ghee. I'm not putting full. You have seen that. And when it melts, I will fry the cashew nut and kismis until golden, because this is the only time I see lot of ghee in the pan, and after that I'll not be seeing separate. So we'll do the garnishing and do it. Finish it till golden. Once done, see all the kismis is puffing up, and the cashew also will get color. When we get both the thing colored, we'll remove it. See, it is looking like done. I'm removing the cashew and the kismis. Once this is done, I will put Delhi carrot, grated one, along with the sugar. So sugar, why we are putting the sugar is sugar will give the moisture and it will give the temperature, so that Delhi carrot will get softer very soon. But when we put sugar for the rice will not get cooked. That is a different issue altogether, and the different science behind it. So always remember to put with the carrot the sugar, and with the ghee is already there. The same medium will help the carrot halwa to make very softer, and it will get cooked within 15 minutes of time, not more than that. So that is the basic principle of putting sugar with ghee and cook it along with the lid. After we have stirred, we will put it for lid for 3 to 4 minutes, and we'll do the same procedure for 15 minutes, okay, removing occasionally and stirring it in between. But the thing is, you have to cook it in very, very slow fire, not at all hot fire, heat fire, full fire. So in between we'll be putting 2 to 4 cloves of cloves. You can say long in Hindi and cloves in English. 4 pieces is enough to give it a separate, authentic, different flavor. Once that is done, you can see how juicy, watery it is flowing through the carrot. And because of the sugar, the temperature of the whole dish has risen to such a point that it will cook very fast. So this is the basic principle for making this carrot halwa. Why we are not putting milk? Because milk will take lot of time to cook and reduce. So after this has become little softer, little tender, little dry, in that position we'll be adding the milk powder. 50 gram of milk powder we'll be adding and mixing it with the carrot halwa so that we don't see the milk powder in it. It will be more juicy, more tasty. And we can put little bit of desiccated coconut also if required. Optional, that is entirely optional. If you people like the coconut flavor in the carrot halwa, you can always put, or else Delhi people doesn't like coconut flavor in the carrot halwa. In the carrot halwa, it should be made with the milk, ghee, and garnished with lots of nuts such as kismis and cashew nut, and to be sprinkled with pista, sliced pista on top. And because we are cooking entirely in ghee, and it will not spike the sugar if we eat it. So this is equally good for diabetes. If at all you want to avoid the sugar, you can use entirely with sugar free. Sugar free will not give the taste of a carrot halwa. So you have to only stir it in between. This will take only 15 minutes of cooking time. I am adding the fried cashew and the kismis or the sultana along with the milk powder, and we will stir it so that milk powder doesn't form any lump. If it forms lump also, it doesn't make much difference, and every bite should have the milk constituent in the gajar ka halwa, and this is basically, you will love it. So we have done carrot halwa, and before we remove, we'll put the cardamom, crushed cardamom on top to give it a special flavor. And once done, always we have to cook this in a slow fire. Slow means it should be so slow that it doesn't catch the bottom. So we'll be doing the plating in a bowl. You can see how beautiful the carrot halwa seems to look. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and ask them to subscribe as well, because I am short of just 200 odd subscribers to get it monetized. Please put some comments so that algorithm understands that we are interacting. Thank you. And the recipe is given at the is going on wrong. And any doubt, just have a look or comment me in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.